In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an app in Base44. We'll walk through the full publishing flow from inside the Base44 dashboard, so by the end you'll know exactly what to click, what to look out for, and how to get your app live with confidence. First, open the Base44 web app in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main workspace where your projects are listed. Take a moment to identify the project that contains the app you want to publish. This is important, especially if you have multiple projects with similar names. Click on the correct project to open it. You should now see the project's overview or editor, depending on how your workspace is set up. Inside the project, look for the option labeled Publish. This is usually visible in the main navigation or near the top of the screen, close to other key actions like saving or previewing. Go ahead and click on Publish. Think of this as moving from editing mode into deployment mode. You're telling Base44 that you're ready to take this version of your app and push it live. After clicking the Publish option, you'll typically be taken to a preview or publishing screen that focuses specifically on your app. Here, you'll see a button called Publish App. This is the main action that actually triggers the deployment. Before you click it, it's a good idea to quickly review your app in the preview area if it's available. Check that your latest changes are visible, that your main screens load correctly, and that any critical flows work as expected. When you're satisfied, click Publish App. Once you click that button, Base44 will guide you through a set of on-screen prompts. These prompts may include confirming which environment you're publishing to, such as production or staging, adding a release description, or reviewing build details. Move through each prompt carefully. Read the text on each screen so you understand what you're confirming. If there are options or toggles, stick with the defaults unless you know you need a specific configuration. As you follow the prompts, you may see a short progress indicator while the app builds and deploys. Avoid closing the browser tab or navigating away until the process is complete. When the prompts indicate that publishing is finished, your app should now be live or updated, depending on your setup. And that's it. You selected your project, clicked Publish, used the Publish App action, and followed the on-screen prompts to complete the process.